94.1 WHRP, Toni with Tmill in the morning.
Oh, yeah, Money Monday.
And not just any Money Monday, Martin Luther King Jr. holiday Money Monday.
There you go.
Yes, and a part of the dream is Tish Hardric and Associates.
Good morning, Tish.
Good morning, Toni and Tmill.
Good
Happy
morning.
Monday.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. Yes. We're here to talk about everybody's favorite subject, taxes.
But
some tips. And Tish is going to help us with some tips about getting ready for taxes and what to consider in 2023. How about that, Tish?
Can you make taxes feel good?
Well, it is that time of year again, tax season. And we know this comes around. It's our favorite part of the year, right?
Mm-hmm.
But let's kick things off with some main details that you need to know about the tax season for 2023. The deadline for filing this year is going to be April 18th, 2023, and that's for all federal tax returns and payments. And the extension deadline is going to be October 16th, 2023, if you need an extension. For 2022, the standard deduction increased from last year, and it will be $12,950 for single filers, $25,900 for married filing jointly. And those income tax brackets went up in 2022 to account for inflation. But that's just scratching the surface. Let's break down some details so you can file your taxes with confidence this year. And here are a few tips regarding deductions and credits to consider that you will want to claim on your 2022 and 2023 tax return.
All right, let's do it. What's number one?
Number one is charitable deductions. One of the biggest changes to the 2023 tax season is how much of your charitable donations you can deduct. Unfortunately, the changes take away most of the extra benefits offered in 2021 because of the pandemic. For example, the $600 charitable deduction for non-itemizer folks taking the standard deduction has gone bye-bye. But you can still deduct qualified charitable donations you made in 2022 as long as you itemize your deductions. The limit for this is 60% of your adjusted gross income, otherwise known as AGI, which is your total income minus other deductions you've already taken.
All right. And number two?
Medical deductions. If you found yourself with some hefty medical bills in 2022, you might be able to find at least some type of tax relief. You can deduct any medical expenses above 7.5% of your adjusted gross income.
Talking to Tish Hardric and Associates, Money Monday, and we're getting some money tips and getting ready for taxes. So what's new and what to consider for filing in 2023? What is number three?
Business deductions, Toni. If you're self-employed, there are a bunch of deductions you can claim on your tax return, including travel expenses and home office deduction if you use it as part of your home for your business. But if you're one of the millions of people who have been working remotely, sorry, you can't be able to claim the home office deduction since it's reserved for self-employed people only.
Wow. That's a big one.
Yeah, that's a heartbreaker.
Oh, man. So number four.
Earned income tax credit, also referred to as EITC. This one's a biggie. The EITC is a refundable credit designed to help out low and middle income households. To qualify for the credit in 2022, a single filer with no children must have an AGI below $16,480, while the cap for married couples with 3 or more children is $59,187. So depending on your income or your married status or filing status and number of dependents, the credit could save you anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s on your taxes. But here's a crazy statistic. About 1 in 5 eligible taxpayers either don't claim the benefit on their taxes or they don't file a tax return at all. So don't let that be you.
Wow. Sound like I need to get a baby daddy.
Benefits.
There it is.
Oh my gosh.
And number 5.
Last but not least, Toni, child tax credit. If you got kids, well, here's a tax credit just for you. The child tax credit, also known as the CTC, lets you credit up to $2,000 per dependent child under the age of 17. The income limit for married filing jointly is $400,000 and $200,000 for all others. The CTC is also partially refundable up to $1,500. And speaking of kids, guys, remember and be reminded of that child and dependent care credit, which is another great credit parents and guardians should know about. The child and dependent care credit is a non-refundable credit that allows taxpayers to offset some of the costs for paying services such as babysitters, daycare, and in-home caregivers for older dependents. As a reminder, the IRS continuously provides tips to tax professionals and taxpayers as we approach the 2023 tax filing season. For additional info, check out www.irs.gov.
Outstanding. Some financial tips and getting ready for the taxes, whether you're an individual or married or running a business. Great tips. Tish, where can they find more information for their business or for money saving tips?
Grow your business with us. Grants, consultancy, careers. We're building foundations of success one step at a time at thetishteam.com.
Toni with Tmill in the morning. Weekdays from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. on 94.1 WHRP. Check in every Monday at 7:45 a.m. for the TNT Money Monday. Get money-saving tips from Tish Hardric and Associates.
Let's focus on saving.
Every Monday at 7:45 a.m. Find out how to handle debt, plan for college fund, retirement, or travel and more.
Finding everyday saving.
Money saving and money making tips with Tish Hardric and Associates. Money Monday on 94.1 WHRP.
We're building foundations of success one step at a time.